Today is her 10th birthday. What? Ooh, she wants to turn 10 with JK. Thank you. What do you want to say to JK?
I love you.
I love you too. Hey, he loves you too. We're so happy you're here. What a sweet, sweet girl.